Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in a public server. I'm going to be trolling some kids trying to steal from me. So I have nothing in my base. I emptied it out just before this. Look at that, someone else has a little base. Oh, there you go. Just keep it. Okay, I don't want that. I'm invisible. Bro, just in front of it is not gonna work. Oh wait, I forgot. What is the thing that makes me invisible? Let's troll this kid. Oh my god. Fuck it, seal.
Detete Saúl.
Help. When I steal stuff, I'm gonna sell it unless it's like a giant cannelloni or something. Got it. No. Who even uses light stones? I wasted it. Oh, he locked his base. Okay, chill. I'm leaving. Okay, I'm sorry, sir, but you're the only one that doesn't have a full base. I mean, that has big hands. Oh, I just came back from our door.
Do.
So I open this base. I'm doing it. Please, bro. Please. Yo, what is he at? He fused a chill puppy and an Issa. Fuck. An Issa, bro. Oh my god. Bro, when something comes up. They got the Valentine's race, bro? Wait, I forgot. How do you get it? Oh yeah, that's amazing. Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna get to it. 1 hour left. Well, nobody else brings rocks. I mean, this kid does, but you can tell what happened there. Ready in? What is ready in? This guy's like Molly could slap it with a slapper, and it disappears. This is a bad bro. Got him. What are they called again for? Strong thing. Pencil. Oh, they just left, bro.
Bombardiro crocodilo.
Bro, I swear you're the only person that's on it. Got it.
Bombardiro crocodilo.
Mine. Bro, got it. Selling it. You guys don't know who I am on Cruise. Well, not actually, but in real life. Somebody buy something, I'm gonna buy it. Who's this stuff? I have 420. Mostly for balls. Sorry I'm not posting a lot, guys. I'll leave in 5 minutes then early. La French burger. What are they talking about? Why are they talking about cows? Well, he's the only person with 2 stories. Or 2 stories. Let's see what happens if I buy this piece of potato. Everybody come back to it. Somebody didn't come for it. Yeah, him. Wow, nobody got for it. Got it. Almost suck skip. Yo, I'll help you, bro. I'll help you. Got him. Oh, you both got him. Mine. Oh, I cannot. Alright, somebody just swarm.
Borbaloni luli loli.
Like somebody just come for it. No? Alright. I want to rebirth, but I have so much money, bro. But the thing is, I don't have that many money. So, I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think. I don't have max either. I'm currently on 13. So I think it's 18, so I think I need 4 more. Got nothing. Got something. Something that makes me feel good. Imagine trying to steal that road. Not gonna work. Oh my lord! Oh my god, bro. I just hit her once. That's all I need.
Los tríos.
Oh my god. I'm not gonna. 1 minute, I'll leave. If I get to those trails, I'll leave. Oh. Goodbye, so. Alright, I'm leaving. That was their time. I'll just chill. I love my video. Today will indeed be the end of Curse and Rock. Today also starts the line. How about I get more personal, bro? Oh, geez. The best Christmas I got was hot. Is that actually? Yeah, I think that was. The best thing I've had of all time is this Gatomon Legendary. By rarity though. Not by how much it gives, by rarity. By how much it gives, I mean, I forgot. Not Esau. Not the few Eggy. Not all my friends who play, Mario. Not that. Not bad, okay, not bad. There was something else like 100 mil. I think it might even go up. I swore I had something that was 100 mil. I think that was only about. First? I can't remember. Oh, first of all, should start now. I think this is the last ever first event, bro. Right? Oh, yes. Secret Lucky Block.
Lucky Block. Lucky Block. Lucky Block. Lucky Block. Lucky Block.
Oh, that's it. Please, one more. Please. I'm buying one. That's it, bro. I'm buying 3. Oh, I can't buy 3. I'm buying one more. Actually, no. I don't want to race over boys. Ah! Let's see. I think I had him in middle school. Bro, I swear, this is like a spaghetti thing. What? Nah. Just got it all. Wait 1 second, I'm gonna get it all. This is one of my first ever all. Got the password. Wait, hold on. Okay. I'm not saying the password yet. take this secret now. Oh, wait, please. It's not the worst problem in there. Actually, no. Worst three things in there. Wait, hold up. We might have this spot. He did not have so much of them. I'm not in the secret. Now let's put this as a top floor. I'm gonna go for the silver. I want to do this though. I'm going to public. I don't know if you guys can hear me when I play this, but I'm going to public. I'm walking kind of scared to see who's gonna. So far, no one's going for it. Just stand up here. I'm gonna keep walking like this. No one's going for it. Actually, no. I'm leaving my base. So bad about this.
Nubini Pizzanini.
No one's still in front of me. That's one of the reasons. Take me to the top. The light's gonna go slow maybe. Oh, someone's going. Someone's going. There's a spot. Let's see if he can do it. Oh, he's gonna go for it. Oh, he's out. That's not good. What are some of the videos? Somebody said something about the nobody gets it, I'm gonna put it in the lower floor. If nobody gets it, I'm gonna put it in the bottom floor. Alright, 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh wait, hold up, he's going for it. If he falls, I'll bring it to the middle floor. And he middle floor.
Nubini Pizzanini.
Look at the spot there.
Chimpanzini Bananini.
Nobody can get a far so long way from your knees. Then, I'll sell it. Why is no new beauty spawned? I want them to take it, bro. Like, I actually want them to take other
Nubini Pizzanini.
Oh, he's going for it, he's going for it, he's going for it. He's gonna go for it. Oh, he's going for it. I'm gonna pretend like I'm trying to get him. I pretended. I pretended. I really could have stopped him there, but...
Nubini Pizzanini.
What? I just did. I only went left.
Nubini Pizzanini.
Was it just me, or is the map just shaking? I wanna know if any of these are me. Maybe, cause that. Maybe pizza me. Pizza amiga Tito. Give me this movie Tito. No, bro. Stop him. Oh my god, bro. Everyone's going crazy for it. Everyone's going crazy for it. Everyone's going crazy for it. Oh wait, who has it? Oh my god. This is chaos. Oh my god. No. No. He's running. I took the Migatito. What is he doing? Oh, he left, bro. I'll take any of these, bro.
Nubini Pizzanini.
Oh, wait, somebody else over there. Oh, hold up, there's another one. Got him. Confusing them. Quesadilla. How do you get a quesadilla like that? Let's use it. For Nubini. come out before I get all these mochi, then I won't fuse them. Person left. Will that bring off just deleted? That's my movie. Mine.
Nubini Pizzanini.
Hey, that's mine already. It's mine. Yo, this kid's stacked. Damn it, bro. Oh my gosh, this is on. Perfect. Oh, I'm here. I swapped. Boom. Oh my god, bro. Is anybody up there? He's got the...
Los new, my hotspot-citos.
Please, bro, how do I do it? I just jump it or I hold control. No, no, no! Don't fuse it, bro. Don't fuse it, please. Nobody knows it's down here, bro. God, bro. Really? Again? Bro. Yo, they don't know what's down here. I might be the new owner of this. No, bro. You gotta be kidding me. Let me out. Let me out. No, bro. I really want it.
Los new, my hotspot-citos.
I'm blitzing.
Los new, my hotspot-citos. Los new, my hotspot eaters.
Right next to you. No, we got it. Oh no, I have not. Please go.
TTT sour.
TTT sour. Oh, this is not. Yeah. Chill out. We'll just from my index. Got it. Yes. I'm off this way for it. I don't even know. Hold up 1 second. Let me just do something real quick. First of all, time is on the corner. Oops. I'm just gonna leave. Hold on a second. Alright, make sure you like and subscribe. Peace out.